Are you thinking about shopping on Embroom.com? Before you hit that buy button, you might want to hear this. Embroom.com claims to be all about bringing new people into embroidery and relaxing hobbies. They say they are a small but motivated company specializing in punch needling kits, and they emphasize that your mental health is the key to success. According to them, after years of research and testing, they've perfected the ultimate punch needling kit, suitable for every level. Sounds great, right? But let's see what's really going on behind the scenes. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about some red flags on Embroom. First, the website was just registered on November 18, 2025. While a new website isn't automatically a scam, it's something to be cautious about if you plan to buy anything. Next, the discounts on the website are unusually high, around 50 to 60%, which is rarely realistic for a brand new store. On top of that, the images they use on the site are copied from other websites, which raises questions about authenticity. Contact information is another big issue. The site doesn't provide a physical address, and while they list generic emails and phone numbers, there's no way to confirm if those details actually work. Legal pages are incomplete and don't give full transparency about the website's operations. When it comes to reviews, the product ratings on the site are glowing, but when checking Trustpilot, there are no reviews at all. That's a warning sign, because legitimate businesses usually have some presence on review platforms. Lastly, Embroom.com doesn't seem to have any social media presence, which is unusual for a company promoting lifestyle or hobby products. Overall, while Embroom.com presents itself as a fun and relaxing embroidery company, these red flags suggest that you should proceed with caution. Be careful before making any purchases, verify information where possible, and trust your instincts when shopping online.